my friends, how are you all doing this morning? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and guess what this morning is? We all know it is Christmas morning, December 25th, 2021. And I'm the only one up right now, my friends. That's why I'm whispering a little bit. Everybody else is fast asleep. So I think I'm going to put the kettle on. It's right over there. And make myself a coffee and put an English muffin in the toaster for my breakfast. Merry Christmas, my friends! I hear some movement upstairs. I think everybody is slowly starting to wake up this morning. And I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and when everybody comes down, we'll be able to start our day. So in the meantime, as you can probably hear in the background, I have my dryer going, and I might put the dishwasher on for a little bit as well. But for now, I'm just gonna wake up slow and enjoy my nice hot cup of coffee with my English muffin. And I think that right now what I'm going to do is check on the turkey and get some vegetables peeled, like turnip and potatoes and probably some carrots as well. And I think Stacy's going to assist me in the kitchen. She's going to work on the apple salad, so that's great. It's always nice to have some teamwork. And did you guys want to see the turkey? I have it in the oven right here. It's not quite finished yet, still has a little bit left to go, but it smells really good. There's my potatoes. In the back I have the turnip, and the stove isn't turned on quite yet. And here's the carrots all ready to go, and the peas in the back. I have my oven mitts here because I just took out the turkey, which is right in there. Nancy has discovered that we have some liver for her from the turkey. What is it that you want? Okay, come on. Okay. There you go. Nancy gets a treat too today. There you go, good girl. So Nancy gets part of the turkey dinner today as well, as part of her Christmas dinner. And she seems to like it very much. Supper is all ready. We have the turnip, the stuffing, the carrots in the back, some nice peas, mashed potatoes of course, and the turkey, apple salad in that big bowl, cranberry jelly in the small bowl, some very nice tasty cheese, and our beautiful Christmas plates for our wonderful Christmas dinner. Well, my friends, I want to thank you so much for joining us today on this lovely Christmas day. It's been a really good one, and tonight after supper I'll be able to relax and we're going to watch Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Yes, that's a pretty funny movie, and I'm looking forward to just sitting back on the couch, putting my feet up, having some pie, and just relaxing. That's the kind of Christmas night I like, and I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I hope that you all have a wonderful, peaceful, and relaxing New Year. That's coming up pretty soon, just around the corner too, isn't it? Thank you, my friends, for joining us today. This will be our last Christmas video for this year. And if you like this Christmas vlog, please give me the YouTube Christmas thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. In the meantime, I have more adventures coming up, so stay tuned and I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.